Looking for the best motor oil for your engine? Whether you're driving a high-mileage pickup, a modern turbocharged sedan, or a boat engine, we've ranked the top options so you don't have to. Starting off our list in the 5th spot is a marine oil that knows its place. Quicksilver 10W30 Marine Engine Oil. Now this one isn't meant for your daily commute or highway cruising, it's purpose-built for marine engines, and that's exactly what it does well. But in a head-to-head ranking across all engine oils, its narrow focus and mineral base push it to the bottom. When it comes to doing its job on the water, Quicksilver stands strong. It's formulated to handle the harsh, high-moisture environments marine engines face. You get solid protection against corrosion and foaming, making it ideal for outboards, inboards, and stern drive setups. It meets key marine industry standards, which means you're covered if you're using it in engines by Mercury or similar brands. But let's be clear, this oil doesn't offer the same high-temperature stability or performance under stress you'd find in a full synthetic designed for high-speed engines. Its mineral base is fine for moderate use, but it's just not built to handle extreme duty cycles or modern automotive demands. So if you're boating on weekends and need something reliable for your marine engine, Quicksilver will take care of you. Just don't expect it to shine beyond that purpose. And hey, if you want to check out the best prices on every product featured in this review, we've dropped links down in the description below. In 4th place, we've got the Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life technology, a synthetic blend motor oil made for engines that have seen a few too many road trips. This one's built for cars with over 75,000 miles, and it delivers a solid balance of performance and affordability. What makes it stand out is its focus on aging engines. It includes seal conditioners to help stop minor oil leaks, detergents to fight sludge, and additives to reduce friction and wear. If your vehicle's getting older and you're not ready to move on, this oil helps extend its life while meeting modern performance standards. That said, it's still a blend, not a full synthetic. So if you're putting your engine through high-performance conditions or long highway trips, you might miss out on the advanced stability and protection that more premium oils offer. Valvoline's Max Life is ideal for drivers who want to give their high-mileage engine a boost without breaking the bank. It's practical, targeted, and reliable. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this. Coming in 3rd is the Shell Rotella T4 Triple Protection. This one is a beast, but a very specific kind. It's not for your average family car or hybrid SUV. This is built for diesel workhorses, semis, tractors, pickups with serious towing duties, you name it. What you get is a durable, heavy-duty oil that offers impressive wear protection, oxidation control, and cleaner operation under intense conditions. It meets a wide range of certifications and OEM standards, which makes it perfect for modern emission systems like DPFs and EGR setups. Its biggest limitation is its scope. Unless you're running a diesel engine under heavy load, you simply don't need this much oil muscle. Plus, its heavier viscosity isn't great for cold starts or smaller engines, and it's not recommended for gasoline vehicles. If you're driving a diesel rig that works as hard as you do, Shell Rotella T4 is a smart, rugged choice. But for anyone else, the next oils on our list might be a better fit. Runner-up on our list is the Castrol GTX Full Synthetic, a tried and true option that's compatible with a ton of vehicles and driving styles. Whether you're in the city, on the highway, or somewhere in between, this oil delivers solid all-around performance. Castrol's formulation includes wear protection that's reportedly 6 times better than standard, along with sludge control and 3 times better viscosity stability than many competitors. It's made for everyday drivers who want strong protection and long oil change intervals without going overboard. Now that 10,000-mile interval sounds great, but keep in mind that's not a one-size-fits-all. Actual mileage can vary depending on how and where you drive. Plus, some ultra-premium full synthetics out there may push the envelope even further in extreme heat or high-stress conditions. Still, if you're looking for a no-nonsense full synthetic oil that's budget-friendly and well-rounded, Castrol GTX is a great pick. It checks all the boxes for everyday use and then some. And taking the top spot, our winner is Royal Purple Full Synthetic. This is the kind of oil that doesn't just meet standards, it crushes them. It's built for modern engines, especially turbocharged and direct injection setups that need precise, powerful protection. Royal Purple delivers excellent wear resistance, reduces friction for better fuel economy, and fights off LSPI, those nasty low-speed pre-ignition knocks that can mess up your engine. It's a full synthetic with serious performance chops, making it one of the most technically advanced options on the market. If there's a drawback, it's the price. Royal Purple doesn't come cheap, and while it's perfect for engines that need 0W20, you've got to follow your manufacturer's spec. This won't be a universal fit. Bottom line, if you want top-tier protection, performance, and peace of mind, Royal Purple is the oil to beat. It's the best of the best on this list. Ready to make the best choice for your engine? Check out the links in the description to grab the top oils at the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more honest, data-driven product reviews.